Title: Introduction to MS Excel, a comprehensive guide. Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of Microsoft Excel. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to brush up on your Excel skills, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started with our introduction to MS Excel. Before we begin, let's quickly go over what we'll cover in this video. 1. What is MS Excel and why is it important? 2. Understanding the Excel interface. 3. Basic Excel terminology. 4. Navigating Excel worksheets. 5. Working with cells, rows, and columns. 6. Entering and formatting data. 7. Basic formulas and functions. 8. Sorting and filtering data. 9. Creating simple charts. What is MS Excel and why is it important? So, what exactly is Microsoft Excel? MS Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft. It allows users to store, organize, and analyze data using a grid of cells. Excel is widely used in various industries for tasks such as financial analysis, data management, project planning, and much more. Understanding the Excel interface. Now, let's familiarize ourselves with the Excel interface. When you open Excel, you'll see a workbook consisting of one or more worksheets. Each worksheet contains a grid made up of cells, identified by columns, labeled with letters, and rows, labeled with numbers. Basic Excel terminology. To effectively navigate Excel, it's important to understand some basic terminology. For example, a cell is the intersection of a column and a row, where you can enter and manipulate data. Formulas are equations that perform calculations using cell references, operators, and functions. Functions, such as sum or average, are pre-built formulas that simplify complex calculations. Navigating Excel worksheets. Moving on, let's talk about navigating Excel worksheets. You can switch between worksheets by clicking on the tabs at the bottom of the Excel window. Additionally, you can add, delete, and rename worksheets to organize your data efficiently. Working with cells, rows, and columns. Now, let's learn how to work with cells, rows, and columns. You can select a cell by clicking on it, and you can select multiple cells by dragging your cursor over them. Rows are horizontal and numbered, while columns are vertical and labeled with letters. You can adjust the size of rows and columns to accommodate your data. Entering and formatting data. The next essential skill is entering and formatting data in Excel. You can type text, numbers, and dates directly into cells. Excel provides various formatting options, allowing you to customize the appearance of your data, such as font styles, cell borders, and colors. Transition to the 7th topic, basic formulas and functions. Host. Now, let's explore basic formulas and functions. Formulas are a powerful feature of Excel that enable you to perform calculations using data from different cells. Functions, on the other hand, are predefined formulas that simplify complex calculations. We'll cover some commonly used functions like sum, average, and count. Transition to the 8th topic, sorting and filtering data. Host. Sorting and filtering data is crucial when working with large datasets. Excel offers sorting and filtering capabilities to help you organize and analyze your data more effectively. You can sort data in ascending or descending order and apply filters to display specific subsets of data based on criteria. Transition to the 9th topic, creating simple charts. Host. Lastly, let's touch on creating simple charts in Excel. Charts are an excellent way to visualize and present your data. Excel provides a wide range of chart types, such as bar graphs, pie charts, and line graphs. We'll demonstrate how to create a basic chart and customize its appearance. Closing shot. You summarizing the video. Host. And that concludes our introduction to MS Excel. We covered the basics of Excel, including its interface, terminology, navigation, data entry, formulas, sorting, filtering, and charting. Excel is a powerful tool with endless possibilities, and we've only scratched the surface. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials and tips on mastering Microsoft Excel. Closing slide. Subscribe to our channel, social media handles, and website. Host. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. You can also follow us on, mention your social media handles, and visit our website, mention website URL, for additional resources. End of the video.